Hello guys, I am Child. In this video, I will show you how to add sound to your video, regardless of the sound, be it funny sound or not. So please watch the video to the end so you don't miss anything. And please help me share it, let other benefit from it. Without wasting time, let's dive into it. First thing, you go to your cap code. Like this, you click on your cap code like this. Okay, then you select the video you want to add the funny sound to. Select the video. And the video you want to use, just make sure the video is funny before you can add any funny sound. Okay, let's say for instance I want to add funny sound to this very video, this very one. Yes, this very video, this video that I brought to the interface here. So the next thing to do is to click on this audio right here and click on sound. This sound here, click on the sound. Okay, so at this point, if you have a so at this point you click here, this very place that look like folder here. Okay, don't click on all this recommended voice. Click on this place that look like folder. It will not take you here. So at this point, if you don't have a sound that you have extracted already, so you click on extract audio, extract sound, I mean. So at this point, you want to get the sound from another video. So you now click on this extra audio from video. So click on it like this. Okay, so let's say this is the video I want to get the funny sound from. Yes, I want to extract the sound from this video, this very one.
I don't want peace. I want problems.
Okay, you can hear the sound. So for instance, I want to extract this sound to my cap code, so that I will be using it. So the next thing to do is just add the video to the interface. Click add. So you can see the sound has extracted already, so that it's ready to use. I can use it now. Yes, so it's very easy. So how to add the sound to a video? You now click, you see I've extracted 3. You can choose one. So let me choose one out of these 3. You now click this plus here. So you can see the sound down here. That is the sound. This is the sound. Yes. So let me play it for you. Play it from the beginning. How to add it? Let me play it from the beginning.
I don't want peace. always.
Okay, let's see. This is the only place that you want to add to your video. Let me start it again.
Don't want peace. I want problems always.
Okay, listen, this is the only place you want to add to your video. So the next thing to do, you will split. So click on split. Click on split. Click on split and delete the rest. And use only that one. If that is the only one you want, if that is the only sound you want to add, so you now split and delete the rest. Yes, let me go back and play it.
Don't want peace.
You can see.
I want problems always.
So from here, let's say for instance, that is the only place you want to use. Yes, you now split it. You see, I have splitted the video already. So if that is the only place you want to use, you now delete the rest. Yes, you now delete it like this. You see. So let me play it.
Don't want peace. I want problems.
So you can see how to add. So in case if you have another one to add again, you also go back, click on sound again, and click on sound, click on this very place that look like further. You now click on plugs again, this, click on plus again. Yes, so remember, before you add any sound to your video, if there's any the original sound to the video, you will have to silence the sound. For instance, now this video has its own sound, so to add your own sound, you have to silence this one. So how to silence it is, you go by, click here, come here, silence
Don't
this
want
one.
peace. I want problems always. It is.
So you can see that I have silenced the original sound that comes with the video. It's only the one I added that is going to work. Yes, it's only the one I added that you'll be hearing.
Don't want peace. I want problems always.
You see it? Okay, so let's say you still want to add another click apart from the one you added before. So the next thing to do is, let me come here. Okay,
Always. It is smoky. It is taking down.
okay, you now pause it like this and split again, split here and delete the rest, like this. Let me go back and play it again, play it for you.
Don't want peace. I want problems always. It is smoky. It is taking down.
So you can see another sound has added to the previous one. So that is how to add sounds to your video, either be it funny sounds or not. So that is how to add it. Yes, so thank you for watching. Please help me share the video, help me like, comment and share the videos for others to benefit from it. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Thanks.